Hug my papa. I want sa AI yan po eh. Hug papa. I want you to hug my papa first. I'm crying.
Saan ka hug? Saan?
Dito.
Why are you crying like that? Yan.
Tabi kayo sa bed.
Ay, it's too much na yan. Ang dami mo nang sinasabi. Isa-isa lang.
Hug
Say
mama,
so,
hug
baby.
mama lang. Hug na lang, hug naman. Hug lang. Hug. Say I love you. Tingin ka kay Miss B, please. Tingin ka kay Miss B, please. Say I love you. Just say I love you.
I love you.
Is Papa here?
Tumal siya. Bad na yan.
Papa, sorry. Say to mama, will you marry me?
Hoy, kantahan naman tayo. Tama na yan. Ano ba yan? Kanta tayo sa baba.
Tripan mo kami.
Kaya nga, kanta tayo sa baba. Tama na yan.
Wish, ano siya gawin? Take me by the hand and wish. Lagi kong package I hold in my hand. I've got it together. They call me the girl who knows just what to say and do. Till I stumble and fall, run into the wall. Out of control, just another fool. Sky tonight, it trembles like my heart. In the light, I can feel you want me to.
Alam ko to.
And if it stars should fall,
My sister used to
then
sing
maybe
this.
it's what we should do. Sanang ay wag nang magising.
Ba't tumatawa ka, anak? Ba't happy?
Paano daw sabi sa'yo?
Go, Casey.
Wala pa, baby.
Go, baby.
Pakasend ko lang. Antayin natin.
See the lights, see the party, the ball. Out in the garden, see you. We keep quiet.
Voice lesson 101 with Mr. B. Go.
And
Doon mo tayo sa I Get Lost.
I get lost
I get lost. Mali?
in your eyes.
In your eyes. Natatawa ako. I get lost in your eyes.
And it,
Ano? And ano?
and it.
And ano?
You have to put that in your mixed voice. And it.
My spirit. Ayan. Go. I get lost.
I get lost.
I get lost.
Ah.
I
Baba mo.
get lost.
Yan.
And I feel... Ano? Ang hirap naman, please.
And I feel. So and I is in the mix. So
And I feel... And
how do
I...
you feel?
And I feel... And I feel...
My spirit's right.
My spirit rise.
Yan. Kaya.
And I feel... My spirit rise.
Mm-hmm.
Ganun ba yun?
Yes.
Tapos hindi nakuha.
I get lost in your eyes, and I feel my spirit rise.
Mali. Tama?
Oh.
And this isn't this what you're romance?
Naubos yung boses.
Isn't this what's called romance?
Mali.
What's called romance, man. Ganun lang. Mance.
Isn't it
Mance.
that I am it? I get weak in it.
Yan.
Isn't this what's called romance? And now I know. 'Cause when I'm lost, I can't let go. Rise and soar like a wind.
O, diba?
Is it in love that I am in?
Pwede naman pala eh.
I get weak in advance. Isn't this what's the romance?
quiet ka na kayo, please. Parang kailangan ko na ng pampadulas para makapag-voice lesson na. Parang sina-challenge ako ng kantang to. Sandali, hindi pwede yan. No, pampadulas, inom-inom tayong tubig dito. For my voice lesson, one-on-one. Grabe. Okay, dahil nakainom na tayo ng isa, ilaban na natin to.
I get lost in your eyes, and I feel my spirit rise and soar like the wind. Is it in love that I am in?
Di ba? Nakuha na.
I get weak,
Kumala agad ah.
aimless. Isn't this what's paradise? And now I know, 'cause when I'm lost, I can't let go. I don't mind not knowing what I'm heading for. You can take me to the sky. I'm lost in your eyes. Sometimes there we can deny, and when I first knew was when I first.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid.
It takes forever. I would wait until tomorrow is true. And it only came. We had a once in a lifetime, but I just couldn't see until it was gone. A second once in a lifetime, maybe.
The words of me, they take me up.
Goodbye, Mr. B! Bye, Mr. B!
Bye-bye.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 Bye-bye.
There. Thank you.
Welcome. Let's go.